so if you have a leftover piece like this and you think, maybe I can do something with that. So don't throw this away. So what I'm going to do, first I'm going to make this flat because there is also that 1/8 gusset. So, and I want this to be fitting on this page. Now, of course, this 1/8 gusset needs to be flat, otherwise the size will not fit. So everything is flat at this point. So I'm going to put this on my left side, make a little mark, and I'm going to cut that down. So maybe I don't even need to cut this down. Why just not make this a fold? It's a nice 1/2 inch. Yeah, cool. I can use it. Why not? Maybe I can use it. Not needed, but why cut it off if you have one? Alright, so let's focus. Alright, so now I also have mostly a pile of leftover pieces. So I'm gonna grab one or two. I don't know how much I need, but let's have a blast here. Okay, so I wanna make a pocket out of this. So can this be fitting for a little pocket down? This is actually quite small. Oh wait, here I also have a nice piece. Alright, so I'm just gonna grab a new piece, and I like a bottom piece. So I'm gonna score 1/2 inch. And then, of course, this needs to be the same size, but maybe we even can make this a 1/2 inch higher. That would be, oh my gosh, my brain is, what are you thinking? What are you doing? Yeah. And I can make this a little bit higher. So what I'm gonna do, so this is my base. Now I need to cut this down. I need to measure, guys. Wow, I need to measure. So this is a 2/5/8, and that means that I need to cut this down. Let me cut this at 3/1/4. I think that's a nice size. 3/1/4. Here we go. Let's do flippity flop on the short side. Flip it over. And now we can see how far this gets. So we do have a flippable on this side. This is the hinge, by the way. With the gusset. That's the hinge. Alright. Let's see, what do we have? Now this, oh yeah, and then I don't have to make a hinge because I already have one. Alright, so then I just have to place this down and stay away 1 or 2 millimeters away from that gusset. Alright, now let's cut this down. Just at the end of this page. Cut it. There we go, and then that's actually it, I guess. Let's find out. Find out, not found out. Find out. Alright, so I'm gonna add some tape on. Ooh, that is off. Oh my gosh. I think it did not move that much, but okay. You will not see. Okay, we do cut the corner because we don't want any bulk. Alright, so this is that. So this is our half pocket. It's actually because I did not cut this, so I already have. Oh my god. Did that make sense to you? I hope it does. So anyway, we're gonna apply this on here. And then if I'm gonna turn this away, we do have this longer. What I love. Right, let's attach that. Now first I like to attach the bottom first so I can attach my purple. Alright. Place this down. I'm gonna start right here. Go. Yes, put some tape on. There we go. Alright, so now we just need to fold this in, and this of course also. Just like to cut down just a little corner so there's no bulk, same as this one right here. So this needs to be folded down, so I need to put down some tape on here as well. There we go. Peel this off, and I'm gonna do the same thing as I normally do. Just place your bone folder inside so you don't have that tight pocket. Here we have that extra, and we did not have that on this side. But the beauty is we can adjust that to just cut it. See that? We are just gonna cut that off. There we go. Alright, now of course I don't want this to be this shape. I don't want to. I don't like that. So you can decide, do you want to have a corner punch? That's a possibility. Let's see how that looks. Oh, that's way more nice. That is nice, isn't it? Yeah. And this way it's easy to put something inside. So, oh my gosh, love it. Cool, cool. I'm very happy that I made this pocket a little larger, the back at least. Alright, so now we can decide. Now, if you have a page, I already have that. That's 7 by 9 inch. You can decide. Well, we have the opening right here, so I assume that it's convenient that we put it on this side. What do you think? On which side do you want that? Because if I put it on this side, then this is on the inside. So maybe I'm just gonna put this on this side. What do you think? You also can put it on here at the bottom. That's a possibility too, to put stuff in here. Oh my gosh, so many cute options. Or right here. That is also cute to move this up. Cool too. Alright, anyways, I'm gonna put some papers on here so we can decide wherever we want to do it. But I think I like it somewhere below, so I can put a nice big booklet inside so it looks like it is then a separate page. But yeah, something like that. I really like that. Alright, have some fun. Alright, and if you're done with your pocket, then you can add something inside, and I decided to go for a nice big one, and I just added a simple pocket inside with a nice little booklet. I used some brown craft stock just to have it a little different, and I just decorated a little bit, and then this is the back. And what I'm now gonna put this right here, but if you can imagine, if this is going to go on this page, that it almost looks like a complete new page, a new flippable page, but you can take this out. So yeah, always fun to use your scraps. Yeah. Till next time. And by the way, in the meantime, look at my, yeah. Look at my pile. I was trying to say it's getting smaller and smaller each time, and everything now is messed up, but that's okay. That's okay. Now I think it's even better because the pile is not that thick to just use a better clip. Anyways, that is what I want to try to say. I even used bigger sheets to do this little page. So yep, look, you know, it was big. It was a big pile. So now I finally am going through all the leftover pieces. Now finally I'm using the big sheets. Yeah, yay! Just use it all first, guys. Just use it all. Alright, so a little update of my page. I glued it on nicely in this corner right here, totally at the bottom. And I did use this, the paper clip thing. I did put something at the bottom so it dangled a little bit. So yeah, we do have another page. This paper is flimsy right now, but if I'm gonna add something on, it will be nice and sturdy. But I thought it would be fun to give this a nice attachment to keep it on its place. So for now I am gonna stop with this pocket page, and I'm gonna do, I think, just simple little pockets. I think super cute actually. If you want to see, just stay tuned.